In this video, I will be showing you how to use few-shot prompting in ChatGPT to get more accurate and consistent results. Let's get started. I'll start by asking ChatGPT to explain what few-shot prompting is and why it outperforms standard instructions. The results explain that providing examples helps the model lock in formatting and reduces the variability found in simple prompts. This technique effectively anchors the AI's behavior, leading to much more professional and predictable outputs. Next, I'm providing a prompt with 3 specific examples to teach the AI a minimalist product description style. The AI analyzes the tone and generates new descriptions for items like a duffel bag and a watch that match the established rhythm perfectly. It focuses on concrete features and avoids typical marketing fluff, delivering a cohesive and sophisticated brand voice across all the new products. Now, I'll input a short request for 3 more descriptions for a phone case, a weekender bag, and a card holder using that same style. The model produces text that remains perfectly consistent, using short, punchy opening lines and a controlled structure. It proves that once a pattern is established, the AI can reliably generate specialized content for any new item I suggest without further instruction. Finally, I'm using a prompt with 3 cinematic examples to generate social media captions in a specific, moody voice. The results show a variety of captions that capture a reflective tone while remaining extremely concise and under the requested word count. This demonstrates how the AI can shift into a stylized voice with just a handful of examples, making the final content feel much more intentional and professional. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.